Hello everyone, Andy here. Let's have a look at the NASDAQ futures for Tuesday, October 24. For the record, today is Monday, October 23. Time is around 7 p.m. GMT. So now we have confirmation that our wave 4 was not in yet. We took out this low right here. I told you, or that was at least my opinion when we were here, that the wave 4 would not be in yet, simply because if you analyze this structure quite well, taking into account RSI, you have 3 waves here and not 5. But I was in doubt, in doubt. I mean, I could not really know. Like I gave you two scenarios. The wave X could be in here for the Nasdaq, but there was also a possibility that we came down in here and move one more time up to make the wave X and then down again. But it seemed like this here was enough of for our wave X. Now we took out this low, which makes that we have an incomplete corrective sequence, which means that we will see more downside, or at least the corrective move is not over yet. And so now the question is, how exactly will we further evolve? Because it's not because we will see more downside that we immediately have to see this downside. And so therefore, I first would like to start with a scenario which is not on my chart yet, but one you should definitely be aware of. This would be kind of the perfect trap. Like, this was already quite well engineered. I believe a lot of people here believed that this was 5 waves, and I believe also a lot of traders wanted to buy the pullback here for more upside. And so what actually happened is, they took out here a lot of stop loss levels where here at this position. They took out, or they took the liquidity actually here. So now we already had a nice move up right here. And so what could happen? It's not on my chart yet, but I would not be surprised if this plays out, that we get an expanded flat structure here, that from here we get an impulsive structure up, even taking out this high right here. And what we have then is a wave A up in 3, 1, 2, 3, a wave B down, overshooting wave B, taking the liquidity right here, and now an impulsive move up, a wave C, taking out this high right here. And then in the end, we will actually have our wave X, but situated right here as an expanded flat structure. And if this move plays out, it will drive everybody crazy. And so therefore, I just want to share with you that's a possibility. I do not put it on my chart yet, because I cannot overload my chart with annotations. So I put the most likely ones that can play out in the near future first, and then I would say the most likely ones in the near future are these ones here. So our wave W is situated right here. Here we made the wave X. And what we could do now is simply complete our WXY structure. After having this wave W, this wave X, we should go here into this area. If we take the length of the wave W, the length of the wave X, we should go here into the area between the 1 and the 1.618 FIB extension to finish this wave Y. And the way to go there would then be another WXY structure. That's one possibility. Another possibility would be, if we do not hold this low, then we get here an impulsive wave, or I mean 5 waves. For now, this is 3 waves, 1, 2, 3. and then that would mean that we can get here an A, B, C structure. So the wave Y unfolding as an A, B, C instead of a W, X, Y. That's also a possibility. So if we look then at the 1 hour structure or the 1 hour chart, what's the difference? Well, here we are at wave 4 area for the scenario in red, the A, B, C. So from here, we should have a fifth wave down. So far, we have 3, 1, 2, 3, 4 right here, and then a fifth wave down. And after this fifth wave, then I would expect upside here as a B wave. Now, it could also be that, as indicated in green, that we have or that we move here in 3, 1, 2, 3, W, X, Y. The low is in, this low holds, and we see further upside into this area, the wave X area, and then from here we turn down again in 3, 1, 2, 3 into this area here to finish the wave Y of the wave Y, and then we have our 4 waves. And if we have the expanded flat scenario, which I described at the beginning of the video, but which is not on my chart, then we will simply don't care about this wave 4 of this wave X, but we will get an impulsive rally up, taking out all the stop loss levels right here for traders anticipating on one of these two scenarios. And Fibonacci levels will not be respected. So actually, we might already know, like, kind of tomorrow, because like, if this happens, it will be impulsive. So we can already know actually by tomorrow, like, if we do not react from this wave 4 area, or also not from the 0.5 FIB retracement level, in my opinion, even now, like, the reaction from the 0.382 level. So if we take here the length of the wave 3, so 1, 2, so wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, so indicated in red here. So now we reacted, or we find some resistance here at the 0.382 level, but normally reaction here at this level is stronger. So this makes me also a bit suspicious for the potential upward move we can get here as a wave C. Of course, this all has to play out. I do not make the market. This is just, how should I say? I've seen many traps like this in the market. So this is just based on instinct, I would say. I cannot say for sure that it will play out, but it is something that we should be aware of. Like, this would be like the kind of perfect trap and drive everybody crazy. But maybe it doesn't get so far, and maybe we just move as we naturally should move. And then the two possibilities are, like, here reacting from the wave 4, doing a fifth wave, and then A, B, C, or the low is in right here for now. We see more upside in 3 waves, 1, 2, 3 as a wave X, and then from here we come down again. But if we take out this high right here, as in the expanded flat scenario just described, then do not think that that this corrective move is over. I believe we turn back down after taking out this high right here. That's definitely a possibility. So let's see what we get tomorrow. And tomorrow I'm making another video. So let's further monitor this. If you enjoyed this analysis, please like, subscribe, comment to support my work. And I see you tomorrow for another video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.